Hello everybody, this is Tracy Markley with Tracy's Personal Training, Tracy's Pilates Studio, Tracy's Fitness, author of 15 books, award-winning author, the host of the Health and Fitness Show with Tracy podcast, and more. What I wanted to bring a quick message to you guys today is when you are working on balance, fall prevention, standing, walking, when you're at home, it is best to use a bar for safety. See my other videos, see my books. I talk about this all the time. And let me show you a quick example why. You're standing up holding a chair. You're doing whatever exercises someone's having you do. You're balancing. Oh, you lose your balance. Where does the chair go? The chair's not going to hold you. If you're holding on to a countertop, which would be like holding on to something there's nothing to grip. Even though some people say they have a lip under here, you have to grab the lips, but still, that's not complete safety. If you go to fall or lose your balance, or maybe your leg gives out on you, you can't grip that. And if you're worried about somewhere in you that one, it's not safe for you, but two, if you're not as stable, because these aren't as stable as a bar, you're not going to be able to advance as much, and you will not feel safe, which is going to limit you. You're going to be a little more tense, a little more fearful, and it's going to interfere with your recovery. But as I always tell people, get a bar. You can get a bar, Amazon, ballet studios, Amazon, great. They seen your handles on a wall. You can put that there. They don't have to be very long. They can be this long, or just keep it right in here. This one I have, let me turn this a little more, is from Amazon. It's 3 feet long, which is a yard. Can't really see the best angle there. And this goes in the wall. And you can grab the bar. So if you're bouncing, you have something to grab that keeps you safe. You're not safe holding onto a chair that can fall over, or a back of like a reclining chair in the living room, which you can come back. You need something stable to keep you stable when you're working on stability. Also, when you're working on your balancing and you're working with a bar and you're grabbing the bar, doing your however we're doing it. I have my ways I teach in my other videos and books. But if you're with your bar, balancing or however you're doing things, as you grab, you're building strength in your hands. You're building quick reaction time. You feel safer because this isn't, make sure it's on the wall secure, of course. It's not going to fall back on you. And everything you're trying to learn, safety, proprioception, spatial awareness, balance, stability, safety, if you work out with the best equipment that keeps you safe, you're going to have better results. Quick reaction time is important. If you feel like you're going to fall and you're outside, you want quick reaction time. You don't want your reaction to be, oh, the chair is unsturdy, and take a few seconds out of your reaction time. You want to instantly know you can grab something. And so if you're training and getting stronger in this, where you're safer, if you're outdoors and need to grab something, you're gonna grab quicker. You may end up grabbing a chair or something's not unstable, but you have more of a chance to stopping yourself from falling if you train properly. I do not believe in using the kitchen counter to train a client. So when I talk to caregivers and people tell me, oh yeah, I help my client, we find the kitchen counter. I don't understand that because it's not safe. A bar is safe. You can put your hand around a bar, have grip to hold yourself. You cannot grab a countertop to save you. Even if you do the little ledges underneath, it's still not gripping for safe. It's just being like your fingers, the little, people say something, the little grip under there. That's not the best. You want to grab something. You want to feel safe. You want to grab it. That's what I wanted to share. That's all I want to share right now. Why I feel the bar is safer better, you'll get better results than holding a chair or a countertop. Because the safer you feel, the better you can do, the more confident you will feel while you're training and getting stronger. Therefore, you can get stronger. You know, if your body and brain's capable of doing it. Sometimes the brain injuries and things people are going through, it won't build you back up just because of what's going on. But if your body can get stronger, that's one of the best ways to do it. Anyway, again, have a good day. Take care of yourself, take care of others, drink your water, all that's good brain care. Especially if you're coming back from a stroke, take care of your brain. Hydrate it. TracyMarkley.com, www.tracymarkley.com. My books are on Amazon. Look up Tracy Markley. All the links are on my website. And check out the membership where I have a lot of videos you can get more care with. And that's it. Be safe. Have a good day.